guys, welcome to another video for the Old Water Fishing Club. Today I'm fishing with my nephew JJ right here on the border with Texas and Mexico, right here on the Rio Bravo. So stay tuned and see how many bass we can catch this morning. And God bless you all. Old Water Fishing Club. Hey Jay, voy a agarrar uno. Come on Jay, you got one. Look at this. A beautiful bass with spinner bait. Okay, we're gonna catch and release this morning, so it's the first one. So DJ, he got the lucky first one. So we're gonna let him loose and pull him back. It's a nice bass. We're gonna catch and release. Beautiful bass. Alright. Yan pa, Jay. Woo! Oh, what a fishing club. I got something big. I don't know what it is, but it's still running all the way to the side. We'll see what happens. I don't know what it is. It's still fighting.
Bass right there, baby. Look at the camera, baby. I love you. Oh, I get so excited.
Oh, Water Fishing Club right here on the Rio Bravo. JJ, he got another one. Come on, Junior. Come on, Junior. Come on, Jay. You can take it. Come on, come on. It's coming, it's coming. Yeah, it's tuyo, despacito, despacito. There we go. Second one. Cinco, baby. ¿Quién fue?
La primera vez que lo saqué.
Release and the Rio Bravo. There you go.
My brother. With what, my brother?
Man, he took my bait.
With what though?
I ain't gonna say it.
¿Ya que lo agarró?
Ahorita agarra el de él.
Ah, dale.
A Water Fishing Club.